To understand the gist of a climate change event, we must first accept several facts or tenets that are indisputable. First, the average temperature on the Earth's surface increased by 0.13 degrees Fahrenheit per decade since 1880. Beginning in 1981, the average temperature increased to 0.32 Fahrenheit per decade. Take a moment to think about that and let it sink in. During the last 40 years alone, the average temperature on the Earth's surface almost tripled, and this trend will continue with multiples, bringing devastation to our climate and our lives. Second, consider the speed at which glacial and polar ice has begun to melt. During the 1980s, glaciers lost about 3 inches annually. By the 1990s, this rate increased to 17 inches. During the 2000s, by as much as 26 inches, and between 2010 and 2018, this number reached 36 inches, or 3 feet of ice loss each year. People might get stumbled when they hear these horrifying facts about climate change. Of course, we can go directly to nasa.gov or climate.gov to learn these and other additional facts about climate change. However, the real dilemma is how do we interpret these facts to understand whether this change of climate is a natural cycle and climate will come back to its normal for us level, or this is a fatal event and we must act on it. The answer is simple and rather astonishing. We are experiencing a fatal, unstoppable, aggravating in strength and speed, and irreversible trend of climate change. And the reason that we can't get on the same page to understand it is simple. Nobody has constructed the model of the climate change event. In physics, to understand, to describe and build the law over any event, a scientist should create a model of the event. It works as a movie script. Arguably, if we watch the whole movie, we should be able to understand its gist and ideas. Watching some random parts of this movie from the other side would potentially confuse us or would not make any sense. Today, nobody offers a climate change model. That is why people are getting random parts of the movie with no beginning and many different ends. Thus, Blue Glaciers Foundation is offering a climate change model and a solution.